Welcome to this tutorial on creating a self-running PowerPoint presentation with slides that loop automatically. In this guide, you will learn how to set up your presentation to continuously play until you choose to exit. The following instructions will help you transform an ordinary slideshow into a dynamic, self-sustaining display that can run unattended. Begin by launching the PowerPoint application on your computer. Opening the program is your first step, and you may already have a shortcut on your desktop or access it through your applications menu. Once PowerPoint starts, allow a few moments for the program to fully load before moving on. After PowerPoint is open, locate and open the presentation file you intend to use for your self-running slideshow. If the presentation does not open immediately, navigate to where it is saved on your computer and open it from there. It is important to verify that the presentation you select contains all the slides that you want to display, as this process does not add or remove slides from your file. Take a moment to review the content before proceeding. After your presentation loads, direct your attention to the top menu where you will find several tabs. The next step involves moving to the Slideshow tab. This tab contains various options that control how your slides will appear during a presentation. Once you click on the Slideshow tab, you will see a range of settings that are specifically designed for controlling slide transitions and presentation behavior. Within the Slideshow tab, you will observe an option labeled Setup Slideshow. Clicking on this option will open a dialog box that provides different settings to control how your presentation runs. Spend a few seconds familiarizing yourself with the settings available in this window so that you have a clear idea of how they impact your presentation's performance. In the Setup Slideshow window, you will find several customization options for running your slideshow. One particular option that you want to pay attention to is the feature that allows your presentation to loop continuously. Look for the setting that is labeled as Looping Continuously Until Escape. It is essential to check the appropriate box associated with this option, ensuring that your presentation will automatically restart from the beginning once it reaches the end. This feature is extremely useful if you intend to display your presentation at an event, in a public setting, or even for a kiosk-like display where continuous operation is key. With the looping option now enabled and confirmed by checking the designated box, the final step in this process is to confirm your settings. You achieve this by clicking on the OK button at the bottom of the Setup Slideshow dialog box. By clicking OK, you save all your preferences and instruct PowerPoint to implement these settings for your upcoming presentation session. Congratulations on setting your presentation to loop automatically. With these instructions, your PowerPoint slides will now run continuously until you decide to press the escape key, allowing for seamless, uninterrupted display of your content. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of a self-running presentation, perfect for various applications where a continuous loop enhances the viewing experience.